Hi everyone, it's Anushka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to create a table in HTML using Notepad. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you the coding part and also the result part and a lot of things that you should know about creating a table in HTML. And if you want to know a lot about HTML in deep, you can go ahead and watch my previous video. The link is already given in the description box. So now let us start with our coding part. So first I'm going to write HTML. This is the starting thing which you should write in order to start a HTML file. Then after writing HTML, we are going to write our head tag, and then we are going to write our title tag and give this a title. So let's give it a title table 2, and then we are going to close this title tag. It's really important to close this title tag, or else all your code will be shown in the title tag and in your body nothing would be shown. Alright, and these all things, what are tags and what is HTML, I've created another video as I said, so you can go ahead and watch it. So title is done. Now let us close our head tag, which is really important, and then we are going to start our body tag, and from our body tag the table starts. All right, so in order to start a table, we are going to write a table tag. So without this table tag, your table won't start, okay, and your result, you won't get good results. So that is why we are going to write table tag here. And then in HTML, each and every tag, or you can say that each and every table starts row wise. Alright, so we are going to make our table row wise, horizontally. Alright, so let me show you a sample table so that you'll have more idea. So this is a sample table that I've created. So in HTML, you make table like this, row wise. Alright, row 1, row 2, row 3 and row 4. So this is how you make a table in HTML. You don't make it column wise, you always make it row wise. Alright, so after the table tag, we are going to write tr tag. So tr tag indicates that our table row has started from here, has begun from here. Alright, so now as you can see that the first row in this table is heading. So it's really important to give your table a heading. Heading means serial number, name, marks, and then inside heading your data of the table comes. So in the first row we are going to make heading. Alright, so for making this heading part, the first row, we use th tag. Th tag stands for table heading and tr stands for table row. So after th, as you can see that the first name that I should write in table is serial number. So after th I'm going to write serial number and then close my th tag. So my first thing is done, my serial number is done. Now again I'm going to write th and write name. So as you can see that now I am done with my serial number and name. Now I'm going to write marks. So again th tag, marks, and close your th tag. Now our first row is done. Our first row is completed. So we are going to complete our tr tag. We are going to close our tr tag. Now in order to start the second row, by second row I mean this row, we are again going to write tr. So this is where our second row starts. Alright, and then we are going to write td. So why are we not writing th why are we writing td instead of th? Because this was our heading. Our heading is completed. So each and everything that comes inside the heading or under the heading is known as table data. So that is why we are going to write td, which stands for table data. These all things are table data. So table data, I'm going to write 1 because inside the serial number my data would be 1. and then I'm going to close this td tag. Again, I'm going to open this tag, write a name. Let's write a sample name here, and then again I'm going to close my td tag. Again, I'm going to open my td tag, and in this td tag I'm going to write the marks. Alright, so 10 on 10 to be precise, and then I'm going to close this td tag again. Now my second row is also complete, so I'm going to end this tr tag. So my second row is done. Now let us again start this tr tag. This is for our third row. By third row I mean this row. Alright, so again I'm going to write td, and then to again close your td. So this is how you should make it. So I'm just going to write it for now. So as you can see that I'm done with all my 4 rows, the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Alright, now I'm going to close this tr tag. Alright, so now I'm done with my table data and all that stuff. Now I'm going to close my table tag. So table / table tag. Alright, so this is the coding part. Now let us go ahead and save it, and let's see if it works. But before that, we are going to close our body part as well, and html. Now we are ready to save this file. So table2.html. Do not forget to give .html, or else your file will be saved as a notepad file. So let's save it. Now let us open it and see. So as you can see that my table is done, but as you can see that there are no border to this table. So in order to add borders to your table, we need to again go to our notepad file, and here we have to write table border is equal to 5 or 10. So let's go with 5, and then we are going to increase the number, so 5. Alright, now you don't have to do anything, and inside the closing thing you don't have to write a / table border is equal to, no. It will be closed automatically when the table tag is closed. So now we are going to save it, and let us refresh our file, and as you can see that the borders are added to our table. So you can increase the border if you want. So let's go with 10. Again save it. Again save it and refresh this file. So a broader border will be added to your table. So this was all about table tag. This was all about creating a table in HTML. So thanks for watching, and also if you like the video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell for more such videos. Alright, bye bye.